All right, all right. Well, if you've seen these mowers out for sale on the market and the cable has been cut, possibly repaired, and their serial number is gone, don't buy it. They are a fire hazard and they have been recalled. I was ripped off. Well, I found this mower on Facebook Marketplace, right? And the guy that was selling it, he told me, well, the guy that he got it from, showed me that it worked with the battery and everything. But of course it didn't come with batteries. And he said something was wrong with the little push button switch. That's what he was thinking it was. I was like, well, okay. I was kind of anxious to get it home and troubleshoot it. So I gave him $100 and took off, right? Well, while I was repairing it, I was like, man, there's just something fishy about this, And after a little research, I found out that this mower is part of a voluntary recall by Ryobi. It is a fire hazard. And they are swapping them out for new mowers, big time. So this guy that was selling it, he played stupid, like I said, and I fell for it. And I went back on the marketplace and I was going to find him. But found out that he didn't just mark it as sold, on Marketplace. He deleted everything on it. So now I couldn't enter a review on him, right? Because now it's like it didn't exist. It's not there. So he knew exactly what he was doing, right? He knew exactly what to expect, and he did it. It's this old guy in Leander, Texas, not too far from me. Just blatantly lied to me. So yeah, thanks neighbor. But anyway, so after I found out that this was under warranty and I read about it online, well, I contacted Ryobi. And after a couple of emails back and forth, I found out that, well, they couldn't do anything for me because the serial number is gone, right? It's the right model of mower, but without a serial number, they really can't do anything, right? And I don't have a receipt. I wasn't the first owner, so I'm just kind of, I'm just left in limbo. Well, I am assuming that that's part of the warranty process, right? Is to cut that cable and remove the serial number. So now it can be identified as a mower that has already been replaced, right? That was a recalled mower. It's been replaced. That one's no good anymore. But what gets me is Ryobi is still, well, they're not collecting these mowers, right? They're leaving it in the hands of the consumers, and they're still out. They're still out there. The consumer, they identify their mower, they get a replacement in, and what are they doing? They're just selling all the old stuff off, whether it be the consumer or if it's going through a dealer, and somehow the dealer it's even from them, it's getting into the wrong hands, right? So you'll probably see a lot of these out on the market. And buyer beware. I mean, these are still a fire hazard. A fire could still happen, right? And if you ask me, the liability is still there. Ryobi took a huge step forward saying that, hey, it's a voluntary recall. We're going to replace the whole unit. Great. But the mowers are still out there. They took a huge step backwards, leaving the mowers out in the public as a fire hazard. And if you ask me, the liability for any fire is still there, right? That's what I'm thinking. So watch out for these mowers. I mean, they're still a fire hazard, and they are still out there. And don't expect any more help from Ryobi, right? And don't get ripped off by any reseller out there trying to pawn these off on you. Now, on a previous video, I showed you how to repair the mower, but just beware. If you decide to fix it and mow with it, just take your precautions. You know it could be a fire hazard. When you store it, don't store it with the battery in place. Make sure the batteries are out of there. When you're storing it, don't put it in your garage or anywhere in your house. If you have a shed out somewhere, put it out there. I mean, it could still catch fire. This one, I'm probably going to use it, just anticipating if it's going to catch fire. I can't wait till I'm out there mowing in the yard and see it just go poof, and I'll film it. But I'm going to keep it outside. Like my riding mower there, I'm just going to put a cover over it, and I'm going to keep it away from the house. So if anything happens, it's away from any building, right? Yeah, that's a biggie. So just remember, these mowers are part of a fire hazard recall. If you haven't heard of it yet and you have one of these mowers, look up the part number and the serial number. All the info is online. You can go back to your dealer and they have little, sheets or whatever, the warranty list, whatever you want to call it. But you can see this online and they give you the model number and the serial numbers to look for. If you have one, go look it up right away, and Ryobi will replace the unit. But please don't try to resell the old mowers. I mean, I'm seeing them left and right now for like $100. But seems like it's a great deal, but it sure is risky, right? So anyway, that is it for this video. So as always, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and watch for my next video.